Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to everyone happy and beautiful days. Cauliflower gratin recipe. Ingredients for 20 people. 6 large cauliflower. 4 potatoes. 4 red peppers. 1 liter milk. 250 grams of sifted wheat flour. 1 kilogram of cheddar cheese. 250 grams of liquid sunflower oil and 4 liters of frying oil. Some dill and some parsley to be used. Chop potatoes in small cubes. Add the chopped potatoes into a container and stand ready. Precise green parts of cauliflower. Chop and prepare the average ping-pong ball to the size of. You do not need to cut the cauliflower stalks in order to make it smell in the oil until cooked. Add the chopped cauliflowers into a container. Chop red peppers in red cap. Materials ready for frying. Add the frying oil to the pot and wait for it to warm up. Add the cauliflowers after the oil has warmed and fry. Cauliflowers have to be as red as the color that causes little frying to be oily. It will fry for at least 15 minutes and the cauliflowers will be completely cooked. Add fried cauliflowers to oven pans. Add the chopped potatoes and capers into the oil to fry. As you can see, The cauliflower is fried and shrunk nicely. Add the fried potatoes and peppers over the cauliflower. Mix with the help of a spoon. Now mix and add a little dill and parsley chop. Some bechamel sauce will be prepared and the materials needed for it. Add some liquid sunflower oil. Add some flour and add mint and thyme into the flour. Mix for 3 to 5 minutes and cook the flour. Flour and add cold milk on top, then add 1 liter. Just add some salt and sugar. You can adjust some consistency with water. Prepare 1 kilogram of cheesy cheese. Bechamel sauce prepared is added to dinner. Fully cover with red pepper cheese. Cook for 18 minutes at 170 degrees. Cauliflower gratin cooked in case you can wait a while and then slice. After the food is a little cold, it will be sliced easily. sliced into 24 pieces. Help your videos reach more people by showing appreciation. You can make more people see you by appreciating. Thanks to everyone for support. An excellent and easy prepared vegetable dish of texture and taste. We came to the end of a detailed video recipe for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. Goodbye, to see you in another recipe.